Okay, so this riddle is pretty simple. First of all, you will need to be sure to have right pizza in the first part of this riddle. So if you have right pizza in the first part of this riddle, you are good to go. Next step, you will need to follow all the instruction inside this video. And the third step, randomly inside this video, I will do some things, and I may share a number, I may share some text. By example, if I say Cheetos, maybe it is some random text, Cheetos, oh, so maybe you will need this information, who knows? And the first one to finish it will have the $100 US. That's it, and good luck. In the next part, I will drink a coffee.